5 flash. Same water heater too, Bradford White. Yeah. I'm gonna have to push this pan down a little bit.
It's fine.
Oh, okay. The pans are always in the way. Bradford Whites. So we got the valve changed. It was a 5 flash. Gas line's going back. Pain in the ass with the water heater on the way. Hey, I'm working with a new camera. My old camera died, so probably a lot of lost footage. Probably a lot of untimely camera shutting itself off type things going on. Basically, I'm working on a Bradford White. There was a code 5. So in my second one today, both Bradford Whites. So just replaced the valve, and he had like a chain together supply line. So we cut that off, and I sweated on a section of pipe for an MIP, and the supply line was shot too. So I'm gonna try and use one of my better looking used ones. But yeah, a lot of Bradford White work today. I'm on my 3rd service call. It's Easter Sunday. So I like to get the work in when I can, so I don't really care if it's a holiday or what. Had no plans today anyway, so might as well make some money. And I do have tomorrow off. I got 3 people that want water heaters installed, so yeah, busy. It's good. Busy is good. Hopefully the supply line doesn't leak. I'm not a fan of these braided ones here, but let's see. Like them because they don't really fit well, and they leak when they pinch, and this one looked pretty good. I'm sure I'll be replacing it here shortly. One of them's got to be good, right? Hopefully my soldering doesn't leak and the supply line doesn't leak. There we go. Something's leaking. Yeah, it's the existing joint. What the fuck, man? Okay, so I grabbed a pre-soldered section of pipe that I had left over, and of course that's what's leaking, is the section that I didn't touch or have anything to do with. always that way. So, we're gonna get this thing back in there. I hate these, hate these fucking pans, man.
You have water the same way?
No, it's got a leak. So,
It's got a leak.
I grabbed a pre-soldered section of pipe, and it's the existing section that somebody else soldered is leaking. So what I did is okay, but I still gotta fix it. Does that make sense?
Okay.
So I gotta go after that. Yeah, it's dripping out of the older. So it was like it's like an L, like this, and it's got the threaded ends. It's leaking right here, but I soldered down here. So it's not my work; it's somebody else's work, but because I'm using it, I gotta fix it. You know? I can't leave you with a leak, right?
So, where is the leak exactly?
I turned the water off, but here. It's right here. It's right here.
Okay.
See that? I did all this. That's existing. So.
Okay.
Oh, that's okay. No, I'm just moving on. I'm gonna do the burner assembly right now while I forget that leak happened, and then calm myself down because I'm mad about it, you know. And then I'll be okay. Nightmare. think I got it.